Hi everybody, my name's Kate, and today I'm going to be showing you how to transform this into a sleek, smooth look using the Rainbow Titanium Flat Iron by Conair. The powerful ion generator eliminates frizz. Plus, it has 6 different temperature settings, perfect for all different hair types and textures. I have thick, wavy hair, so I'm setting my iron at 455 degrees. I always begin on dry hair after spraying a little heat protectant. I'm going to separate my hair into sections, flipping the top layer up so it is away from my face. Then, I am going to take our flat iron and gently glide it down the hair from roots to end. Make as few passes as possible because straightening over the same section can cause damage. Want a little volume at the roots? Simply section your hair and straighten the section upwards and away from your face. It's that simple. Now you know how to get silky straight hair with the Rainbow Flat Iron from Conair.